this video, let's learn how to transfer funds on the Mirae Asset Sharekhan app using NetBanking. Step 1. Once you log in, click on the hamburger menu as shown in the video. Select Transfer Funds and then click on Add Funds. Enter the amount you wish to transfer from your bank account to your trading account. Important: ensure your bank account details are mapped with your Mirae Asset Sharekhan demat and trading account. You can view the list of supported banks on your screen. Select NetBanking and then click on Move Cash, which will redirect you to the NetBanking page. Confirm the requested amount for transfer. Once confirmed, you will be redirected back to the Mirae Asset Sharekhan app. That's it. The transferred amount will reflect in the equity balance under the Add Funds section.
Investment in securities market are subject to market risks. Read all the related documents carefully before investing.